Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by validating prerequisites: 64-bit Windows, adequate disk space, and admin rights. Once verified, download the SQL Server Express 2022 installer and SSMS. Run the installer as administrator and choose Basic for a quick setup or Custom to control features. Make sure firewall rules and Windows updates are applied first. This avoids permission issues. During install, accept terms and pick an instance name. Default is fine for single server use. When the core engine is installed, move on to configuring network and authentication. Next, configure the instance and security. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager to enable TCP/IP and set port 1433 if you need remote connections. Restart the SQL service after changes. In SQL Server Installation Center, choose Mixed Authentication if you require SQL logins, then set a secure SA password. Create a dedicated Windows backup account and grant it DB backup operator on system databases to automate backups. Once done, install cumulative updates and confirm services run under least privilege accounts for better security. Final steps: open SSMS and connect to your instance. Create a test database and run simple select and create statements to verify functionality. Configure automated backups or maintenance plans and set up basic monitoring alerts for disk, CPU, and failed logins. Make sure your backup files are stored off-server or in cloud storage. If you encounter connection errors, first confirm the instance name and port. Then check Windows firewall and that SQL Server browser is running. Adjusting these typically resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.